This problem is asking me which expression is equivalent to 18 times 3 to the n plus 2 power. So equivalent means it's the same as, and so it looks like I want to try to factor out a 2 and then somehow get the rest of that 18 number and see how it fits in with writing it as a 3. So I want to factor this 18. I know I want to pull the 2 out, so I know that 9 times 2 is 18, so I can start to rewrite my expression that way and see how else we can manipulate that. Now, I want to see what I can do with that 9 and see how that relates to 3. So I know that 9 is also the same thing as 3 squared. So I'm going to start there. So I'm going to rewrite 9 as 3 squared times 3 to the n plus 2. And then if I recall my properties of exponents, I know that when we are multiplying the bases that we add the exponents. And so perhaps I can regroup these 3's together and add an extra 2 onto that exponent. So I'm going to rewrite this. I have 2 times 3, and now I still have that n plus 2, but now I have an extra plus 2 there to account for the other 3 squared. And then I'm just going to recombine my exponents. I see that we have 2 in there that can be added to the other 2, so I have 2 times 3 to the n plus 4. And then that obviously matches answer B. So this question is more about taking what we're given and being able to simplify it and manipulate those numbers so that we can get something that looks something like these answer choices. So the key here is to kind of look at what we're given and try to force that and manipulate that algebraically so that we can get one of the answer choices.